So, Heather, everybody has questions about Obamacare. Why should they work with an insurance professional? I mean, I know that there's navigators out there, and it seems like everybody's now popping up experts left and right. Tell them what's the scoop.
Well, the interesting thing about the navigators is that they are unlicensed. They weren't required to have insurance licenses. They have not been background checked, nor have they been fingerprinted. They're people that were willing to accept X amount of dollars for their pay to be able to help people. I think a lot of insurance agents were originally looking at potentially being navigators, but part of the agreement with the government in order to be one was that you had to give up any money that you were accepting from an insurance company. So therefore, if I had gone ahead and said, okay, I want to help as many people as possible, that would have been fine, but I wouldn't have been able to sell Medicare because I would have been accepting compensation from a health insurance company. So that's why a lot of licensed people didn't do it. But they haven't been background checked. The potential for fraud, identity theft, I mean, they could have been in prison yesterday. You don't know. You just don't know.
Wow. So what should they do? I mean, someone calls them on the phone saying something about the Obamacare card. I mean, what's legitimate and what's not?
Yeah, the Better Business Bureau has currently put out a warning that there are fraudsters out there that are calling people and talking to them about an Obamacare card. There is no such thing. Basically, you just have to be on alert. Do not give your personal information out over the phone. Be very careful who you work with. Find an informed insurance agent. And do a little bit of investigative work on your own. Find something intricate about Obamacare or the way one thing works within the law itself, and test the person that you're going to work with. And if you know more than they do, then you need to find somebody else to work with. The other thing that you can do is, by all means, ask your insurance professional to see their healthcare license. It is your right to do it, and that way at least you know that they at least have that much, and they have been background checked, they have been fingerprinted, and they are registered with the state.
Great. Thanks, Heather.